What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2012 Triumph Tiger Explorer. This thing is fully blacked out. It looks awesome. One thing I want to note, these are not like Triumph bags, they're just literally Cobalt bags from like Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever place sells Cobalt that are fabricated to sit on there. Don't know where the top bag's from. I would take these off. I left them on just so that whoever buys it can make the decision whether they want to keep them or not. They have the stock brackets here for like normal bags, but this bike is in really good shape, guys. It's got a center stand, obviously. Got some scuffing on these bars. That's super common. I mean, if this guy used this bike, what it's for, the engine guards and the bars are gonna have some scuffs on them. Love these lights. They look so freaking good. Tread is getting a little bit low if you want an aggressive pattern on the front. Yeah, it's getting a little low on the front. It's not too bad, but it's getting low. It's not bald. This is all in pretty good shape, guys. This guy definitely knew what he was doing. He loved his bike, he rode it, but he definitely kept it in good shape. Rear tires got plenty of tread. Seat's in good shape. Top of the tank is in good shape. Heated grips. No, that's not heated grips. The running lights here. Fired up. Looks pretty awesome. Tons of lights, guys. Super visible. 19,906 miles on it. I guess I'll show you the exhaust again. It just is a stock exhaust. Guys, like I said, 2012 Triumph Tiger Explorer. This bike's in great shape, guys. It will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.